This school is just not a school. It's a big tool to eliminate the discrimination which we face every day in out in education system. I'm very happy that whatever we have done is about physical infrastructure to be done, and in a very short time we need to do that. And whatever best we can bring in, because now Samir has come with a lot of tech. I don't think so any government school has any tech support. We all come together. I think this could be a very different achievement. So this could be an example for others to follow. Welcome you all, and leave it to Faisal.